dental problem, bad breath, cavity, sensitivity, toothache, frequent appointment with your dentist. All have you tried ever Ayurveda? The ancient knowledge of this land of India. It can cure almost all of your diseases, including the dental one. So here today I am going to share with you an Ayurvedic and very effective tooth powder recipe. All the ingredients needed are very simple. You can buy it online or your local kirana shop. So let's take the ingredients.
Take 10 to 12 strands of long pepper. It's also known as pepli. It will make like half teaspoon of powder. It reduces pain and inflammation in the teeth due to the kapha balancing property. Next, I am taking black pepper. Black pepper is extremely effective in curing bacterial infection in mouth. Next, take half teaspoon of clove. Clove contains eugenol, which is anti-inflammatory and reduce cavity. Next, take 1 teaspoon of dry mint leaf. Mint leaf contains methanol, which promotes fresh breath. Next, I am taking 1 teaspoon of dried ginger, known as soot also. It's also antimicrobial and antibacterial. 1 teaspoon of common salt. Common salt helps in toothache. Next, I am taking 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Yes, the same baking powder we use to bake cakes. It removes the stain from the teeth and give you a whiter teeth. It's also antimicrobial and antibacterial, so prevents cavity. Next, I am taking harad or inknut powder. It fights with the cavity causing bacteria in mouth. Next, I am taking half teaspoon of lodra powder. Lodra is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. It removes toothache. Then I am taking half teaspoon of licorice powder. It's also known as mulethi or jasti madhu. It balances the taste of the tooth powder as it is sweet in taste. It is also antimicrobial and antibacterial, so prevents the tooth cavities, promote healthy gum and teeth. Now take all the ingredients into a grinding bowl. Grind it to a very smooth powder, and your tooth powder will be ready. Toothpaste or tooth powder available in market generally contains sodium benzoate and fluoride. These are not good for your teeth, and in long run it causes cavities. So here we go, our tooth powder is ready to use. Now store it in a glass jar. It's preferable that you will use a airtight glass jar. You can use it up to 1 year without any preservative.
Now the tooth powder is ready to use. If you want to get a feel of toothpaste, then what you can do? You can mix coconut oil with this tooth powder. Coconut oil has an antibacterial and antifungal properties, which is really good for your teeth. Let me show you how can make a paste out of this tooth powder. Take 1/4 teaspoon of this tooth powder and put some drop of extra virgin coconut oil and mix it. Now let me show you how I use this. Thus, like you always take, put the toothpaste, just press it. Now see how to. So this tooth powder is ready to use. you can use it traditionally like a traditional tooth powder, or you can mix equal quantity of virgin coconut oil to make it a toothpaste. It's very effective. Brush your teeth twice a day, once in morning when you wake up, and the next in before going to bed. One thing I want to share with you, that if you frequently suffer from the problem of acidity, or when you wake up you feel a sour taste in your mouth, then add a pinch of tuna, that is limestone powder, into this tooth powder while grinding this. The tuna I am talking about is the same tuna available in pan shop. Tuna that is widely available in the pan shop. I think if you have seen that while making the pan, before wrapping they rub some white stuff in the pan leaf. That is tuna, that is widely available in your pan shop, local kirana shop, or in online. You can find some link for this tuna in the description box, and use it and keep smiling.